Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be showing you how I prepare my salmon bites. Have you tried this recipe before? If you have, please comment down below. What do you do when you're preparing this? Do you prepare it the same way as I do, or do you add your twist to it? Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. You might be wondering, why does the salmon look this way? It's because I used the microwave method to thaw it out because I didn't have much time. So that's why you see all that buttery thing around it. After removing the plastic bag from the salmon, these are the steps that I went through. I wanted to remove that top section, so I boiled some water, and as you can see, I am pouring it over the salmon. The next step is to remove that section. I realized that it wasn't coming off smoothly, so I went ahead and add some more of the boiled water to this. After doing that, I just started to peel it off, and as you can see, it came off smoothly. The next step is to cut these into desired pieces. I have cut them into bite size, and these are the sizes that I will be working with. After cutting these into desired pieces, I have washed it twice. So I've washed it once with vinegar and once without vinegar. This is a section where your twist, your touch is added to the salmon. So the seasoning process, I have added some black pepper. I am now going in with some cayenne pepper. I'm also going to add some Maggi seasoning, and this is the all purpose, and I'm going with a mixture of jerk seasoning and other seasoning mixed together. The next step is to mix this in. You can leave it to marinate based on your time. I didn't have much time, so I just mixed it in and leave it for a few minutes, and then I started the cooking process. At this point, I'm putting in some oil in the pot. The next step is to ensure that the pot is properly hot, and then you're going to add your salmon pieces in. Ensure that you flip them so it won't burn. You want them to have a nice golden brown color, not burnt. So ensure that you watch this and also flip it when it is supposed to. So I've flipped it quite a few times, and I will continue to flip it until I am ready to remove this. After removing these, I am going to start with the sauce. So I have changed the pot completely. I changed it to a smaller pot, and I've added the oil that I fried the salmon in and also some butter. I have also had some onion, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, and chili flakes to this, and I'm just letting it cook or what should I say? I'm getting it to fry so the flavor can blend in. The next step is to add some honey, add some water, then combine. At this point, I am going to add the salmon in and leave this to simmer. The next step is to add your final amount of seasonings and leave it to simmer. It is now time to plate this up. I have served this with some white rice and some cucumber on the side. This is a must-try recipe. Your family will love it. This was truly delicious. The color was so beautiful. It was so tasty. So you should definitely try this recipe out. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is the end of the video. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.